Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check your Instagram notes history on your Instagram app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Then select the three horizontal lined icon at the top right, looks like a little hamburger, and then go down where it says how you use Instagram, and you want to select where it says your activity. And there should be an item underneath interactions that says notes. Go ahead and select that. And then any notes on posts you have made should appear in here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.